Alright, y'all, so y'all know I bought this at Hobby Lobby so I can make my own little tackle box. So I bought these little felt liners to go on the bottom of each one. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the felt, and this felt was only 39 cents. And I'm gonna try my best. Try my best to mark around. Like that. And I'm gonna cut on the inside of the line. Like that. Or whatever. I'm gonna go to test. And boom. And so we're just gonna do that for the rest of them. Glad about that, because I definitely thought I was gonna have enough to do two. Well, I guess I would if I cut it right. Yeah, if I cut it right out here. We're gonna cut this out also. Okay, and then we got another one. And I got this because I'm hoping that I can wash it if it gets all nasty. But if I can't, it's 39 cents. You know, I can just purchase if I need to. Don't want to because it's extra money. But if I need to. All right, y'all, that's perfect. Ooh. I'm cutting on the inside of the black just so make sure it is small enough. And I'm really just putting this down so that stuff is not hopefully sliding everywhere. I mean, I ain't gonna have a whole bunch of stuff in there. I am an amateur fisher. Amateur. So. Tomorrow we're going to Walmart to get the rest of the stuff that we need. Cause my husband saw something on TikTok where they make catfish bait by leaving chicken outside in the sun. But you gotta dip the chicken in Kool-Aid. Yeah, I don't know. He said he saw it, honey, so we gonna do it. That's what marriage is, supporting each other's crazy ideals. I know why I tried to start that way. All right. So we got these stickers here, and I think I put that one at the bottom. It's a little rickety. Oh yeah, this is a little. It's not really fitting in like it should. I'm gonna put this one at the top because it's deeper. Maybe I'll put one at the top and put the deeper one in the middle. Okay, so we got one left that we haven't touched. So this is our tackle box. So I'm gonna open this. And these were just $3.49 at Hobby Lobby. And they are just stickers. This one, can put right there. So this one we're just gonna put along the front, I guess. Or do we want to? Let's just put it at the top. I'm gonna put it at the top, but I'm gonna find a little piece of tape to tape this so it won't get ripped off, basically. And then we got the Gone Fishing sign. And these are like 3D kind of things. And this is how the back looks. I'm just gonna put a fish over here. Put a fish over here. And then this little hat, I really like it, but I don't want to put it right here because that part comes up. It's gonna mess it up. So, hold on. I'm gonna put this fishing thing over here. Actually, don't want to put that right there. Don't want to put it right here. We're gonna put it right there. And then this is a little tackle box. We're gonna put that right here. And we're gonna put the hat up here. Uh-oh. Well, hold on. Alright. Put the hat right there. Put that fish right there. And this is a little hook. The little hook we can put like it's going in the fish's mouth. Or should we put it at the end of the I'm gonna put it at the end of the fishing pole. So yeah, that's our little tackle box for now. We might add more stuff, and we just have to be careful with getting stuff off. Make sure we don't mess up our little design. Yeah. So we have some weighted little bubbles. And we're going to put that in a little tackle ball. These are floats, and they got a little weight on them to help. Damn. Put those in there. This is my fishing line. I'm just gonna put that in there. Does it fit? It fits. And we got our little hooks. They say these are really good for catfish, because this acts like a little minnow or fish. And these are the 1/4 ounce weight. And so we're gonna put those in there. So that's our little tackle and DIY fishing. And then tomorrow we still have to go and get some weights and 1 or 2 other things. And then I'll put them in here too. So yeah. Which side do y'all like better? This side? This side? Or y'all like the top better? Let me know, let me know, let me know.